In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Rockstar activation code already in use. What you want to do is you want to open up your Rockstar Games launcher. In here, log into your account and head over to settings. Then once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to disable everything except BattlEye, and this one is really important to disable. Disable these three, and once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to just close it down and then reopen it and see if that works. Now if this still doesn't work, the other thing we can do is we can come back here and search for documents, open up documents, and in here find your Rockstar Games folder. Once you open this, there will be a launcher, and what you want to do is you want to click on this and you want to delete the launcher folder. So simply delete this one. If it's not letting you delete, it's because you need to close down the Rockstar launcher. So open Task Manager, Details, press anywhere and press R, then close down these two, and then you can delete this folder. Then you simply want to relaunch this one, and it's going to create the folder on a brand new one, and then this might help fix the issue. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.